Udah.
Ready bro?
Balik lagi tuh.
We're back, Halo. Hari ini kita presentasi tembakau baru.
See you later, alligator. Ada kedatangan tembakau baru. Balik lagi sama gue di Kalian Maimunah. Sorry, suara gue agak bindeng karena tuntutan kehidupan.
Spreading the virus.
Yeah, spreading the virus. Ingat, COVID udah nggak ada, jadi bisa bagi-bagi selang. Terus habis itu, ini gue ada Komarudin.
Hello everybody, thanks for having me back here again.
Karena gue nggak kuat nyedot sendirian, jadi gue mau sharing sisanya sama Marcio. Nggak, sisanya 2 bong, beda bong. Tapi bakal gue cobain juga, nggak apa kalau sakit. It's okay lah ya, if you're sick.
Yeah, I've got a strong immune system, so that should be okay. Quite excited to be here for this particular presentation actually, or this particular introduction really. I've tried this brand of tobacco a while back. It was quite unique, quite different, I think based on its composition. Go ahead in Bahasa explain to the viewers what's so different about this one.
Ini tembakaunya Hooligan. Buat yang mungkin ada beberapa orang yang follow gua mungkin taunya Hooligan, HLGN. Sebenarnya Hooligan, HOOLIGAN, tapi namanya ini XLGN. Yeah, you read this, it's Hooligan, bro. Ini udah nggak mungkin ini namanya bukan Hooligan, ini Hooligan.
Siaura.
Ada strawberry squash, orange fresh, mangosteen tuh. Manggis kapan lagi petik manggis, bukan petik mangga. Ada blackcurrant chamomile.
Tastes like the famous drink from here.
Terus ada ini lemon jahe, lemon ginger. Oh,
Healthy.
healthy bro, very healthy. Yang ini yang bukan terlalu strong, ini yang biasa aja. Yang kayak gua. Terus ini ada Sonic, you know, the Sonic the Hedgehog.
Of course.
Fruit corn drinks.
Oh, that's quite a smart name actually. Not bad, not bad.
Fruit corny bro.
Corny as fuck. Yeah. Let's see. Let's take a smell. Okay. It's alright actually.
What else?
Terus habis itu ini ada green tea honey, ada green tea honey madu, teh hijau madu, pakai warna hijau, mirip Green Lantern ya. Hard sama softnya itu semua flavor yang ada di hard ada flavor di softnya juga. Cuman emang rasanya unik-unik, kayak tadi ada manggis, terus ini ada Panama.
Yeah, my people.
Fruit salad bro.
Basically, you know, another reason for you guys to come over and, you know, instead of ordering 1 shisha, you get 2. So, that's quite nice. If you want a smooth one, you go for one side of the table. If you want a hard one, you go for the other side of the table, and you know you can make a comparison for yourself, just like we're gonna do it later. Even more reasons for you to come.
Ini ada turba. Ini nggak semua rasanya ya, ada beberapa rasa yang nggak ada. Ini karena ini masih sampel. Watermelon, melon gum. This one is fantastic.
Oh, this is really nice.
Yeah.
There's an ice cream I used to have back at home that had exactly this flavor.
Gue mau deng. Hooligan tuh ini enggak sih, ini bukan Hooligan sih. Tunggu Oblako tapi kolaborasi sama Hooligan. Makanya ada XCX ini nih yang bacaannya yang tadi gue nggak bisa bacain ini nih. Jadi ada sama nih Salen. Nah ini Hooligan juga tungku dari Hooligan. Mereka ada killernya juga kalau nggak salah, tapi belum ada gue. Baru ada funnelnya aja. Kita we make two preparation ya.
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's do of course with the smooth one, the aroma must be bright.
Correct.
So with the smooth one, this one, the smooth with the smooth, the strong with the strong.
Yeah, no, that sounds really brilliant. And
Okay.
you know, this is gonna sound really weird, but you know, especially with this turbo flavor, this watermelon melon gum, it makes me feel like I want to eat it. It must be delicious. So let's definitely try this.
Okay.
Oh god.
I'll try turbo. What do you try?
OG Club. I'd like to try this OG Club. It's a strawberry flavor.
Strawberry flavor and what ya? Ini kita masih belum ngerti sih kenapa Kush.
I don't know what the word means actually. It must be some of those Cyrillic words or something.
Terus habis itu yang nggak ada di sini itu the one that is not here is Vera, aloe vera juicy,
Okay.
Ogo, passion fruit sakura, apple pomegranate, boo,
Yeah.
Sila, grape cucumber, Vita, clementine, tangerine. Jadinya clementine orange clementine yang kecil-kecil itu ya. Bukan yang orange fresh. Kalau Chow ini orange fresh. Sama banana caramel. Masih ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, they have lemon pie as well. 7, 8. Ya 8, kurang lebih lah 8 rasa. 9 Mystic. Ada 9 aroma yang belum ada di sini.
Now, one of the things that I'm really excited about this one is the fact that it has the mixed leaves, basically. You have the Virginia leaf, you have the barley leaf, you have the cigar leaf, all combined together. Now, basically that means, some businesses might suffer because, they would sell one tobacco that is primarily Virginia, another tobacco that's primarily barley, and the customers would kind of, mix them together at home. This one, you basically just take it out of the box and smoke it. So I'm quite excited to see what the results would be like. Although from a far memory ago, I remember it was quite nice, but, things change. So let's see what this has in store for us.
Best of the both fruits ya. Terus habis itu bedanya ini Virginia sama Burley. Ini agak berat untuk differentiate kalau lagi kayak gini. Lu nggak bakal tahu sama sekali karena nggak ada tulisan hardnya di packagingnya. Except if you realize the hard logo is only on the cap.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, there is nothing in the. So it might you
might confuse people.
No, not only confuse people. Confuse user as well. As you use them and then all of a sudden you forgot
which one is which.
And then because for example like this is what
this is the hard
OG
one.
Club and then you can twist it with the normal OG Club.
I see.
Right?
I see.
This is not without hard.
Exactly.
So Jana bakal ketuker kalau misalkan nggak tahu, tapi dari leaf-nya udah kelihatan. I mean, from evidence, it's pretty notable ya.
Yeah, this one is definitely lighter than this one.
Yeah.
Teksturnya beda, enggak?
Texture is a bit different also, and then this one, I think they put more Virginia leaves. The compositions, jadi komposisinya ini Virginia leaves-nya lebih banyak dibanding yang hard. Tetap tiga-tiga sama, di cap-nya, ditutupnya tulisannya sama. Ada tulisannya Virginia Burley Cigar, leaves-nya untuk si daun tembakaunya, tapi dari color perspektif udah beda, udah kelihatannya.
Every single one of the boxes, otherwise you might, get the wrong ones, but that's okay. The more you know, we teach you.
And then kalau misalkan tadi dilihat tobacco, the one that is watermelon melon gum, it's not yet stir, but this one already stir, right?
Exactly.
Because I've been using it. Because as you know, strawberry squish.
Yeah, you gotta love the strawberry flavor from these guys.
Yeah. You wanna prepare yours?
I can, yeah. Any tips on how I should prep the tobacco?
Hooligan also sharing about preparing tips.
True. So this is the part where I don't actually need you anymore, right? Because Hooligan has shared us tips on how to prepare,
Yes.
depending on whatever bow you have. So here we have a classic bow, like he explained earlier. Let me try to prep this hard Hooligan OG Club. Let's take some notes here. Loosely place the tobacco in the bow and leave an indent of 1 to 2 millimeters from the collude central hole. Okay, that shouldn't be so hard. Let's see how we smoke it later. If it smokes really hard, it's because we cut the video and then really helped you. It's just like baking a cake.
Dan ini kita bikin sisa solo, jadi nggak bakal pusing-pusing bikinnya, langsung sikat rotain.
As usual, I'm making a mess on the counter, but that's okay.
Dan buat orang-orang yang mikir kalau bikin di funnel itu lebih gampang daripada Turkish, daripada Killer tuh jauh lebih gampang mana-mana ya. Lu lihat gua aja. Apalagi tobacco teksturnya sih mirip sama Duff ya. Mirip sama Duff, cuman agak lebih gede dikit, cuman lengketnya kayak Duff sama Massef in between. Cuman gue bisa cium tadi aromanya kayaknya bright, apalagi yang soft karena kayaknya Virginia lebih coklat, so I assume flavornya bakal bright dan nggak akan ngejedak, nggak akan sakit kepala atau gimana. Nikotinnya pasti in between 0,1 0,2 miligram.
Yeah, even though this one is mostly barley leaf, which gives that stronger feel to it. The aroma just from smelling it out of the box is already more bright than some of the other brands we've been introducing to the guys recently. So it should be a nice one.
Oh, I already tried the hard one, bro.
How is it? Hard as fuck.
You can really tell the difference, but maybe it's the squish as well.
Okay.
Dan untuk in terms of quality, Hooligan ini so far kita lihat, kita belum coba full. Sekarang ini kita bakal kasih reviewnya, tapi most likely kalau dari gue lihat dari ingredient yang mereka pakai, I think ini bakalan jadi tembakau Shisha Tobacco yang termahal di Indo saat ini sih. Karena biasanya rata-rata Virginia Burley kan, nah mereka ada cigar leaf-nya juga. Jadi untuk ngomongin smoking prosesnya, longevity-nya pasti panjang banget, bisa 2,5 jam sampai 3 jam. Kalau disedot sendirian. Kalau sisanya diperkosa ya sama aja. Satu sisa 6 orang gitu kan. Nah,
Is this what a loosely tobacco would look like?
Yeah, pretty much.
Too loose?
I think I'm done.
There's a little hole there. I'm just gonna add one more gram.
Dan ini gua yang classic funnel bowl. Hooligan recommendnya back central hole in the bowl, of course, funnel bowl. Warm the bowl on 3 cubes of coal without the heat keeper. Oh, nggak boleh pakai heat keeper. Katanya nggak usah pakai heat keeper. Jana manasin pakai 3 bara aja. Carene sopo? Carene cucak rowo. 3 bara ya. Kita gas. Cus.
Gas. I swear, making one bow is harder than going to university for 4 years. Let's see how this one turns out.
Mudah-mudahan iki sisanya aselo le jos. Turunin dulu.
Yeah, maybe I'll put this one down as well. Any modifications needed?
No. I'll just tie it. I won't change your packing. I just don't want the kalut
Get dirty?
Yes.
Fair enough.
And then on the classic bowl, 4 charcoal or 3 charcoal, bro?
Let's take a look. Let me open here my super 3 cubes.
Oh, 3 cubes as well?
3 cubes as well, yeah. 3 to 4 minutes.
Okay, I thought 4 cubes.
Yeah, 3 cubes is enough.
Let's do 3 cubes.
Let's follow the instructions. Yeah, the manufacturer never gets it wrong.
Hopefully. Canda. Yeah, this one we got the BC black something, and then love life, love. But Hooligan, please send us next time the FCK Corona 2020. They have another bowl,
Yeah.
like FCK Corona 2020.
Oh, there must be some sort of limited edition. Yeah? Hopefully
Yeah.
we can get our hands on this and put it on display for you guys. Now, one of the things that is, I guess, really exciting for the viewers and for our customers here is that I know from experience that Wheelie has been waiting for these guys, for Hooligan to come on the shop for 6 months now, 8 months.
Yeah.
Now, by the time you see this video, you can come down and you can smoke it right away. So, you know, you guys are lucky. The anticipation for us was huge. So, yeah, come through next week. As soon as this video is up, you'll be able to enjoy this with us.
Ini kita nyoba watermelon gum sama OG Club, nggak di mix karena emang kita mau nyobain aromanya gimana. Kita juga nggak mix satu sama lainnya. Sebentar, you can continue, bro.
Yeah, honestly, now I'm just waiting to experience this. I really hope my immunity is at top condition, you know.
Everything good?
Everything is okay. I'm just looking forward to trying this one. I guess since it's on a funnel bowl, the tradition is for it to be ready sooner than the killer bowl or the classic bowl.
Yes, boss.
Okay, boss. Let's smoke that shit.
Assalamualaikum langit, waalaikumsalam bumi. Let's try this busak.
Yes, brother. Get my
Yeah, they have the strawberry squish, and then they have another flavor called busak.
Well, I'm not gonna lie. If there's ever a chance of me creating something that could use, you know, cool names like this, man, I think we have a whole library of names we could use. Let's make a car company, you know. Give them weird names.
In my opinion, 2 charcoal, not 3 charcoal.
Okay. Is it too strong now?
2 is enough.
Okay.
In my opinion, 2 is enough.
Okay.
Maybe as well
I guess 3 just to hit it up and then 2 to continue forward, yeah?
3 cubes. Yeah.
3 or 4 cubes? Okay.
Maybe we pack it wrong.
It's okay, it's all a learning process. As soon as we've gone through the 999th bow, we'll know for sure how to pack one properly. And that will happen probably in the next 2 weeks with the surge of customers that will come from this.
Can you tell that it's there is menthol inside it or no? You think there is menthol?
No, I don't
No.
think so.
Clean
It's clean, yeah. Clean watermelon, and the melon
and gum.
gum is the flavor that kind of gets you. Let's say there's 2 stages of flavoring, right? You feel the watermelon first, and then as you're blowing it out, the aftertaste is kind of the melon gum, which is really quite nice actually. And it tastes on the smoke exactly like you would imagine it does from smelling the box itself. Smelling the box sounds a little wrong, but we'll go with that. And as you guys can see, it smokes really well. It took less than 5 minutes really from the moment we put the charcoals in to whatever we are talking about right now. So yeah, if you're in a hurry in the morning before you go to work, pack your Hooligan on a funnel bow, yeah. That'll be the best option for your day to start the day.
And then flavor aroma also very bright on a funnel bowl, just like blown leaves.
Exactly.
Here's your shisha. Give me back the hose.
Yes.
I already tried the OG.
According to the instructions manual here we've received, we should leave the 3 cubes of coal for about 3 to 4 minutes. I believe it's already been 3 minutes, so let's give it a try. Strawberry Kush, OG Club. Wow, nice.
Different strength.
Different strength, yeah. This one's a bit, you feel a little more tingling, if that makes sense. Not on the throat, not on the throat. It's hard to really explain with words. You guys really gotta come to Kalian Maison and try it.
But on the chest,
and
how
order
you
both.
feel it on the chest? It's heavier on the chest or?
It's a little heavier, yeah. Probably by the way I packed it as well, it's not the best, but you can tell a bit of a different intensity between the two of them. This one is a little more intense. I guess if you do 10 puffs real hard, you'll feel a little, out of oxygen in the brain, but that's okay, just don't do that, really. And I think what really matters to a lot of people is definitely the flavor. Again, because of the composition of this one, the flavor is a lot brighter on the smooth series, I guess. I don't guess. I can taste it right now.
Virginia Leaf kan bisa tahu aroma tuh lebih bright daripada Burley atau tembakau hitam atau cigar leaf. Jadi all in all, menurut gua Virginianya, buat gue pribadi sih terlalu smooth, terlalu halus. Tapi ya best of the both worlds lah. Jadi ada offer yang besar di mana mereka bisa kasih flavor yang sama di lines yang berbeda, karena kebanyakan brand yang lain flavornya beda, yang hardnya sama yang di smooth ya, jadi nggak ada flavor yang bener-bener sama. Terus terakhir ada features of tobacco. Jadi gue bakal share features of tobacco-nya juga. Dia menjanjikan long time smoking process, means easily out of 15-18 grams you can smoke for 2 hours.
Yeah, even more if depends on how you smoke, basically. Exactly.
Yeah, how you suck it. And then aroma mereka ini datangnya dari Jepang. Mereka impor dari Jepang untuk aromanya.
Yeah, that's the thing I wanted to comment about as well. After seeing this, I realized that, for example, green tea honey is something that Japs like to drink. The melon gum is, I mentioned about an ice cream I used to have as a kid. It was a Japanese ice cream. So yeah, I guess they went all out for the Japanese lovers out there, which we know there's a lot in Indonesia. This will definitely be a flavor for you. 2 lines of tobacco, I think we've covered that.
Cigar leaf, and then uniform release of nicotine. Maksudnya uniform release of nicotine adalah nikotin itu di shisha at least ya, ada pH level, ada TH level. Jadi pH level itu harus balance dengan nikotinnya. Contoh, misalkan kita ngomongin tembakau yang tinggi banget nikotinnya, overdose itu tinggi nikotinnya 0,675. Terus habis itu Tangers 0,25 nikotinnya. Overdose jauh lebih tinggi. Kenapa? Tangers kok lebih strong? Karena pH levelnya cocok sama tubuh manusia. Tubuh manusia itu butuh pH level 0,75 sampai 0,85. Jadi semakin tobakonya, saturasi tembakaunya dan iklim dari negara tersebut mendukung, strength tobakonya bakalan ngebantu banget untuk kita nerima strong atau smooth, atau gampang overheat, atau susah dipanasin atau underheat terus. Jadi contohnya kayak uniform release of nicotine, let's say kita sisaan baru 5 menit, nikotinnya rendah, sakit kepala, atau nikotinnya tinggi, sakit kepala. Jadi yang bikin pusing sakit kepala migrain itu adalah selain dari preparation ya, selain dari bikin, tapi pH level yang nggak stabil juga. Jadi pH-nya harus stabil, harus yang tadi gue bilang 0,75 sampai 0,85 untuk kita absorbnya nyaman. Jadi sepanjang kita 2 jam sisaan nggak pernah mau muntah, nggak pernah mau mual, nggak pernah enak. Tapi kalau untuk perut kosong emang harus makan, dan darah rendah emang harus darah rendah harus minum manis, at least minum manis atau minuman yang seratnya tinggi. Contohnya buah-buahan, jus. Itu ngebantu untuk orang yang darah rendah. No, I was just explaining about the pH level. As you know, in mineral water, this is not mineral water, but in water basically, there is alkaline water and then non-alkaline water, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Alkaline water is much more healthy. It's healthier.
Yeah.
But it's not because the water quality is better, but because the pH content of the water is better.
Okay.
So for example, human body needs to absorb 0.75 pH level until 0.85.
Okay.
So in alkaline water, the pH level is closer to what human body is accepting.
Okay.
So I was just explaining about, for example, like tobacco, like overdose. Overdose have nicotine content of 0.675, and then Tangers have 0.25 something. So it's much
Pretty big difference.
pretty big differences, 0.4. So in terms of strength, people say Tangers is stronger than overdose.
Correct. Yes.
And then we do know that Tangers is stronger than overdose.
Correct.
Tangers, if you smoking for the first time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it'll make you sleep.
Exactly. Yeah.
Why is that? Because Tangers have the uniform release of nicotine. So the pH level is because nicotine, as per se, nicotine is just a tool. Because we smoking to get dopamine. So to get that dopamine, nicotine is our tool. It's just how to say an instrument to go.
Correct. It's basically the vehicle to get dopamine.
Yeah, the vehicle to get the dopamine. So in terms of, that's why a lot of people smoking some tobacco and then gets a headache because not ununiform release of nicotine. So the pH level is not matched with human body.
Yeah.
That's why your body didn't feel it.
Yeah.
Actually, you also absorb the nicotine.
Yeah. Absolutely. And with this one, what's the number? Do we know yet?
I have no idea yet, but I reckon this is around 0.2 to 0.4 because it's pretty smooth, pretty light, and then the hard one, it's pretty. I can see you already have some struggles with the.
Too hard.
This one too hard for you?
No, it's not too hard. But I tricked him with my facial expression so I can have this one, which is better for me. Honestly speaking, I do prefer the smooth line, even though I do smoke quite a lot, I guess, for a normal person standard. It just goes a lot easier for me. You know, the hard series that they have is quite good as well, so I wouldn't say no to it. But if I was to choose, I would choose the smooth. Flavor is quite bright. It smokes quite a lot, as you guys can see from the clip. It doesn't really get you know, the itchy throat, or, you know, we've been smoking this for about 20 minutes now. It doesn't give you any sort of headache or anything like that. So it's definitely a good choice if you don't want to be mixing, you know, two different types of tobacco every time you go do your session. First, I guess, since you know, a lot of people may not know, you know, which tobaccos go better with which ones, just go for one of these and you're good to go.
True. And then since we saw on the direction, it's Japanese aroma. Straight roast, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
This is like a flower.
Exactly.
So
Flower
ini
drink.
Rape rose, it's pink lemonade tapi ada hints of rose-nya jadi
Exactly.
emang rata-rata aromanya emang represent the Japs.
Exactly. And for anyone watching this who wants to support us, where can they find this tobacco?
In Kalian Maison, in our Tokopedia. Kalian Maison, same. Kalian Maison, bukan Maimunah ya. Kalau Maimunah kita ini yang review. Terus ya, feedback gue juga buat yang hard. It's a bit on the stronger side, tapi nggak ada yang kayak ngejedak dan segala macam, nggak stabil dan segala macam. Emang true what they're saying dari 5 itu. Dan ini kita as expected, ini 100 gramnya it's gonna be around 260.000, 260. So 50,000 more than
Your must-haves of the world, yeah.
Yeah. So dark side jadinya 50.000, 45.000 lebih mahal daripada tobacco yang lainnya. Tapi in terms of quality,
Yeah.
I could say, we could say as of now, as per today,
Yeah.
this is the best one currently.
Yeah, the thing is, you know, whenever I smoke, you know, the other brands, for example, that are a little bit cheaper, I'll normally mix them with something else. So at the end of the day, it's not like I'm really saving any money. So, you know, the extra 50K or 40K or whatever it is, you know, it's not really gonna affect anyone all that much. So yeah, definitely a buyer's choice.
Yeah,
if you
than
take the advice from me.
yeah, rather than you have headache. Let's say for home smokers, you have headache with 2-3 things to get one product. This one product can give you everything
Exactly.
at once. So
Exactly. Innovation, revolution of tobacco. Cool, that's it. Thanks for having me today.
Thanks for having me today as well, bro. That's why needs 2 people, because I want other people's feedback as well in terms of the 2 lines. And all I can say is both lines is nice. And for new smokers can using the smooth line first, and then udah terbiasa, udah adjust, you can try the hard lines.
Exactly. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next video.
Bye bye.